Hey there, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Ever wonder how some people keep their homes looking spotless and organized all the time? Today, we're diving into the 10 things people with clean homes do every day. These simple habits will transform your space without overwhelming you. Let's get into it. Starting with something simple, they make their bed every single morning. Making the bed gives a sense of accomplishment and instantly makes the room look tidy. Plus, it encourages you to keep the rest of the room organized. Try it for a week and see how it impacts your whole day. Next, they put things away right after using them. It may sound obvious, but it's so easy to leave things lying around, leading to clutter. Make it a habit to return everything to its place. It only takes a few seconds and keeps clutter from piling up. A quick wipe down of surfaces goes a long way. This doesn't mean deep cleaning daily, just a simple wipe with a damp cloth or disinfectant keeps grime and dust at bay, making your next deep clean much easier. People with clean homes don't let laundry pile up. By doing a small load every day, they avoid the weekend laundry marathon. This keeps clothes fresh and the laundry area neat, with less stress about managing big loads. Taking out the trash daily keeps unpleasant odors away and prevents trash from overflowing. It's one of those small tasks that, when done regularly, makes a huge difference in maintaining a fresh-smelling, clean home. A quick tidying session before bed keeps the morning routine calm and clutter-free. They spend 5 minutes putting things in order in the living room or kitchen so they can wake up to a clean home. Another top habit, keeping the sink clear of dirty dishes. Not only does it make the kitchen look cleaner, but it also prevents the buildup of bacteria. Make it a habit to rinse and put away dishes right after meals, or at least by the end of the day. People with tidy homes clean as they cook. Instead of facing a pile of dishes and mess after a meal, they wipe down surfaces, put ingredients away, and wash as they go. By the time they sit down to eat, the kitchen is already halfway clean. Baskets and bins are a lifesaver for keeping things organized. They give everything a home and make cleaning up a breeze. Use them for items like blankets, toys, or even pantry goods. It's an easy way to keep your home clutter-free. And lastly, they declutter regularly. Keeping only what's essential and loved reduces the overall mess. Set aside time each month to go through your home and donate or throw away things you no longer use. You'll feel lighter and have less to clean. There you have it, 10 daily habits that can help you maintain a clean, organized home. Start with 1 or 2 and see the difference. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more everyday hacks. Thanks for watching.